So here's an angles and parallel lines question for you to have a go at yourself. So pause this, have a go at the question, and then play it and see if you've managed to get the right answer. Okay, so CDEF is a straight line, so we're told that this going along here is a straight line. AB is parallel to CF, so we can see that because of the arrows. And DE is equal to AE. So we've got DE and AE are the same length there. Work out the size of the angle marked X. You must give reasons for your answer again. So one of the key things that I'd look at here is that DE is equal to AE. So because these two lines here, DE and AE, are the same, what we've got is triangle ADE there is isosceles. So what that means is that if I call this angle Y, that angle has to be the same because base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. And we're going to come on to that later. But I don't know what X is, I don't know what Y is, it's not really helping me too much at the moment. So what I'm going to be using to begin with are these, so the fact that we've got parallel lines here. So I'm looking for F's, C's or Z's and seeing if I can see anything involved there. So what I can see is that I've got a Z here, which is going to enable me to work out this angle. Okay, so because I've got a Z, that tells me that I've got alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal, so that must be 38 degrees. So because I have to give reasons, I'm going to say that angle AED is equal to 38 degrees as alternate angles are equal. Now, I've already mentioned about the isosceles triangle, and I've called that Y, and I've called that Y as well. So I'm just going to give a reason for that, and so I'm going to write down that angle EAD equals angle ADE as base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. Now, what we also know is that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So, as angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, we know that Y plus 38 degrees must equal 180 because those are my three angles in my triangle. So this is 2Y add 38 equals 180 degrees. I can take the 38 over and it becomes a minus, which leaves me with 2Y is equal to 142 degrees. Take the 2 over and it becomes a divide. And so half of 142 is 71 degrees. So now we found that Y is going to be 71 degrees. What we know is that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if I do 180 degrees, take away my Y value, 71, I get 109 degrees, and that is my value of X, 109 degrees.